Hi everyone, so today we're going to make Dragon Scale Coasters. The first thing you're going to do is separate your resin into 4 separate cups. The first cup is going to be mixed with a transparent pigment like alcohol ink. The second one will be mixed with a white pigment dye like Casting Crafts pigment. And then you're going to mix the third cup with a pigment powder and keep your last cup just plain clear resin. Here you're going to see the pigment powders that I used. I used Pearlex's pigment powders. They're my favorite to use. I suggest getting some if you work with resin because they just mix the best with resin and they have the best effects in my opinion. Also, I used an extra cup of resin mixed with pigment powder here because I wanted to use 2 colors. That's totally optional. You can do it either way and you'll still get the same effects. So let's get started. I'm going to pour a bit of resin into the mold that's mixed with the translucent pigment. I mixed it up because it wasn't quite mixed all the way in the cup there. So you're going to almost cover the bottom of your mold with the translucent. Then you're going to add your resin colored with pigment powder. And then your resin colored with your white pigment dye or paste. Next, I add my second cup of resin colored with the second color of pigment powder, and then you're going to put the clear on top. You can skip the second pigment powder cup if you didn't mix one. And then you're going to repeat the process, exactly the same order: translucent, pigment powder, white pigment paste or dye, and then clear resin. You want to make sure the hole in the middle doesn't close up, so you want to do this kind of quickly here. If there is still room in your mold, fill the rest up with clear resin, but pour from the center. The last thing I do here is add some embellishments in the middle. This part is totally optional. I use glitter glass, but you can use any type of glitter for this step. Next, you're going to see the reveal, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The backside of this coaster actually turned out to look really cool as well. Thanks for watching.